Have you been struggling with food cravings? It could be a craving for salty food, spicy food. It could be a craving for the sweets that we really love, right? It could be a chocolate, pasta, anything. And have you tried enough of different methods but it's still not working for you? If yes, then this video is for you. My name is Neha Bhatia and I've had the opportunity to train thousands of people, and one of my workshop is known as 888 Reduce Your Weight. And in that workshop I teach this one method, which is a 1-minute mirror exercise that I'll be teaching to you. Please make sure that you do it for at least 7 days, only for 1 minute every single day, and see how your craving just goes away completely. Well, before I tell you this mirror exercise, it's also known as the law of attraction technique. Before I tell you that, I want you to understand, acknowledge by your own self. Number one, is it a specific kind of food that you have a craving for? Number two, is it at a specific time, like in the middle of the night you have a craving for chocolates? Or is it at a specific situation that you have a craving for any kind of food, but the situation is same? For example, whenever you're trying something and you get frustrated, and at that time you want to eat something, right? It could be the same food over and over again. It could be a different food, right? So it depends on person to person. Some people have same kind of cravings, that they want to have crunchy food whenever they get frustrated, right? So know your triggers with this. Okay, what are your triggers? Is it at a certain situation, time? It could be at the same it could be two things together, like it could be at the same time and same situation. Whenever these two come together, that's the time your craving arises, right? So this is something that that you need to know. Number two is very, very important here. Once you know the craving, once you know the timing or the food that you have a craving for, now what you're going to do is, it's pretty interesting. Okay, before I tell you that, let me tell you that I myself had a major craving for sweets, okay, which reduced with time, doing lots of meditations and visualization, and this technique helped me the most. But there was a craving which was associated with a food itself. Let's say, for example, whenever I had spicy food, I used to end up eating something sweet, and I just could not live without that. I wanted a chai or a chocolate immediately after that. Like, most of us, we do end up having a glass of water, or we do end up having sweets after that, which is actually not healthy, right, for the body. So that was my craving. But I also had many cravings with my frustrations, with my stress levels. So how I have helped myself and many of my trainees with this one technique, I'm going to share with you right this moment. So what you have to do is, you have to just go in front of the mirror. Okay, listen to me very carefully and please understand. You have to go in front of the mirror. Okay, now either you can take the food with you, okay, or you can just imagine it. You can just do it in your visualization, in your own imagination. Now what you're going to do is, you're going to look at yourself, and then if you want, you can close your eyes, because when you close your eyes, it becomes a very strong message to the subconscious mind, and you can start to see the results immediately. So when you close your eyes, what you have to do is, you got to just feel that there is this food that you have a craving for in your hand, okay, or maybe in a plate, and that's in your hand. So when you see that in your own imagination, now just imagine that you're taking a bite of it. Okay, so make sure when you're actually imagining it, do as slow as possible. The more slow you will do it, and the more frames you will make of this particular visual that you're making here, automatically you'll start to see the changes, right? So law of attraction is not just about attracting some money, attracting some person, but even having a good health. You can attract that by removing your cravings, by removing all the blockages, the physical blockages and the emotional blockages that you have. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, you're gonna just take a bite in your own imagination of that particular food. And when you're doing that, I want you to imagine simultaneously, look in the mirror again in your imagination, and start to see your weight being increased. Start to see that. Now I'll tell you something very interesting. A lot of people, therapists, counselors, doctors, they always say one thing, that's know about the negative effects of cravings and whatever you're eating. But just by knowing, it will not work for you. Your mind has have to have that signal, that command to actually understand you need to stop it, right? So what you're going to do is you'll take a bite, and once it's very close to your mouth, you start to imagine that your weight is changing. You know, your face is changing. You're not looking as beautiful as you are, or you know, as you want to be. So I just want you to feel and see that how your body is completely changing, how your body language is just becoming like this. If there is a reason of stress, grief, or any kind of resentment, or if these are the reasons for your craving, then start to see that in the mirror and see more and more deeply. You know, a lot of my clients, when they did this particular technique, literally they ended up crying, and they had this breakthrough moment, and they just stopped craving that kind of a food. You know why? Because they got the answer. Number one, that they got the negative effects which they don't want to be associated with. Also, they got the answers of their own stress and their own grief and whatever emotions that they were going through. So my point here is, please understand, when you're just eating, take it in the mouth. There is no problem in your imagination. Take it in the mouth, but start to see that your condition in that mirror is becoming worse and worse. Just see that. Now, some of you would be like, Neha, is it really true? Is it really possible? Is it not going to make me feel very bad about myself? Exactly. That's what you need to do. You need to feel it. It's not just about knowing that these are the negative effects of craving, or, you know, eating too much of food and at different times not taking care of your body, but it is about feeling at the same time. It's only when that feeling happens in ourselves, that's the time we get that breakthrough moment to make that change that we really want. So it's not that you will stop craving immediately. Maybe you will in a day or two, but you will also never associate with that. You will evolve as a person by knowing what are the reasons of my craving, and you need to make the changes what you really need to make in your life. And how you're dealing with it right now is by eating that certain food. You're just satisfying it with that little biscuit, with that little chocolate, with that little pasta of yours, right? But here, when you actually start to see the negative effects, you'll be like, yeah, you know what, I need to make a change in my life, in this particular area of my life. So I'm not saying it will happen with everybody, but at least give yourself a challenge for 7 days. Eat in your imagination, there is no problem, but the more and more you will eat it, the more and more you will eat it in your imagination, the more worse you should be making the visual, or you should be seeing a visual in the mirror of yours, having grief, guilt on your face, body language is changing, nobody is around you, you're just by your own self, and I'm sure you don't want to be like that. One of my clients once sent me a message when she was doing that particular technique, and after that she was like, Neha, in my own imagination I just threw away that particular plate that I have in my hand. You know, I just don't want to be any close with it, because it is actually that little biscuit, that little chocolate is actually ruling my life, ruining my life, and I don't want that to happen for myself. So my dear friends, let me tell you, this is a 1-minute technique. Just do it only for 1 minute and start to see the changes, but do it completely, okay? Do it completely with complete attention, nobody around, and just 1 minute. Do it for next 7 days and start to see massive changes with your cravings. And if you would like to know more about us, you can quickly go on to nlpwithneha.com. We have many workshops going on at the moment, and there are a lot of offers that we'll be giving in the month of August. You're more than welcome to bring the desired change in your life and to manifest that you truly dream, desire, and you deserve. Thank you so much, everybody. If you have any more questions regarding the same technique, same process, or any other thing of your life, please do connect with me, and I'll be more than happy to make another video on your question. Thank you. Bye. Keep progressing.